Hello, this is Steve Thoele, Principal Broker with Premier Property Group, and bringing you another weekly update on the Newberg Oregon real estate market. This update is going to cover the last 6 weeks of market activity, hitting this past Sunday, August 7th. So as I always do, I'm going to share my screen with you now and go through the stats with you. So first off, looking at active listings. Last week in Newberg, I show we had 14 new properties come on the market. That's the same as last week and kind of matches a low for the prior 6 weeks here. Ended the week with 90 homes on the market, which you can see is kind of a slight high. It's been pretty stable here for the past month, roughly, between 86 and 90 homes. The median list price and the days on market for the active listings, that's been very steady. You can kind of see the days on market, or excuse me, the price has been right at 590 for the past month and a half now. Days on market has been creeping up. Started at 17 6 weeks ago, and we're up to 31. So, certainly a sign that market is continuing to kind of slow, and properties are staying on the market a little longer than they were before. Pending sales. So last week in Newberg, I show we had 8 properties go into pending status, down from 11 the prior week. You can kind of see where it's been over the prior 6 weeks here. And we ended the week with pendings at 69 homes. That's the same as the week prior. And the median price and days on market for those pendings, you can kind of see it's been holding right at 500,000 the last 3 weeks here. And the days on market has been, has come up from where we started. We had a low of 6 weeks ago, and it's been at 13, 14 days here for the past month now of average time for homes to go pending. And then finally, we'll look at sold listing activity. So as of the time I put the info together here, I show we had 6 homes go from pending to sold this last week in Newberg, down from 12 the week prior, and kind of matches a low for the 6 weeks. When I look over the prior 4 weeks, or basically the last month of activity, show we had 37 homes close, which is the same as you can kind of see for the prior week, but certainly down from where we were 6 weeks back at 62. And then the median sold price and days on market for the sold listings, we kind of held steady this last week. We were at 535 2 weeks ago. This last week came in at 532. And then we kind of finally took a little jump up in days on market. We were at 5. And this last week, we bumped up to 7 days of average market time for the sold listings. We'll see this kind of continue to rise as we move forward, I think, as the pendings, have a little longer lag time as well. And then finally, we'll look at the weeks of inventory and the sale price as a percent of the original list price. Red bars is the weeks of inventory. Certainly kind of see this upward trend we've been experiencing. So we were at 4.5 weeks of inventory 6 weeks ago. And this last week, we came in at just under 10 weeks of inventory. So, basically about 2.5 months worth of inventory. So, like I said last week, we're kind of getting into more of a balanced market environment, I would say, in Newberg. That being said, the sale price as a percent of the list price is holding steady at right around 100% of asking price. You can kind of see here over the whole period. So prices are kind of holding from what sellers are asking, but we certainly are seeing more inventory. Things are not selling quite as quickly, and it's becoming a little bit more balanced market environment. So I hope that update has been helpful and informative for you. I certainly would welcome the opportunity to see if my 16 plus years of experience and local market knowledge could be a good fit for you and what your needs are. So don't hesitate to give me a call at 503-680-2065. Always happy to answer any questions that you might have. And please like, comment, and if you're seeing this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. I do these every week, and if they're of interest to you, you can kind of continue to follow along and see what's happening in the local market here. So as always, I appreciate you watching, and have a great day.